Deux voix du rock.
But life still goes on. I can get used to living it out, living it out, living it out here by my side. Oh, I can get used to live alone. Hey, God knows, got to make it on my own. So baby, can't you see? I got to break free. I want to break free. I got to break free. Welcome to the jungle. We got fun and games. We got everything you want. Honey, we know the names of all the people that can find whatever you may need. If you got the money, honey, we got your disease. Jungle, welcome to the jungle. Watch it bring you to your knees. Oh, I wanna watch you bleed. Welcome to the jungle. We take it day by day. If you want it, gonna bleed, but it's the price to pay. And you are a very sexy girl who's very hard to please. You can test the blind lights, but you won't get there for free. Jungle, welcome to the jungle. Feel my mind, my serpentine. Oh, I wanna hear you scream.
Deux voix du rock.
So understand. Don't waste your time away searching for those wasted years. Face up, make you stand, and realize you're living in the golden years. So understand. Don't waste your time away searching for those wasted years. Face up, make you stand, and realize you're living in the golden years.
Deux voix du rock.